That again
Okay.
po.
Okay. So if you are here in the wallet, you have to go to account details. The contract, the contract is this. This is the contract that's triggered. Um, you can paste it in the chat later, Joshua.
Okay, fine. Let me do it.
Contract, right?
Yeah.
So when you go here, you see write contract. Make sure first that your wallet is connected because this is the Chrome extension, right? When you click this, it will connect the wallet here. And then that's your address. Now, go to write contract. And if you haven't registered, here you have to use the refer address. Then you put your name here and then put the TRX value of 100. I'm seeing in all the transactions, if you could see here, all the transactions are 2838. So when you write on the contract, you put 2838, you put the refer address here, which is the Joshua, what's your wallet address?
Okay, let me share my wallet address.
So you'll just put the refer address here. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Put the refer address here. Name string is your username. So put here whatever you want to do. Josh is Josh the Great, but you will put your own here, not Josh the Great, okay? You will put your own here. And then put 2838 here and then press send. That will send it to the smart contract, okay? So that's the first one. When wait for a couple of minutes until the transaction goes to um, another like 20 or 40 confirmations. When you're purchasing pack 2, you put here level 2, and then um, 2838 times 2 is 5676. So put 5676, then send. You have to make sure because in the transactions here that you see it's 2851 now. That's successful. You have to make sure that 2851 times 2 is the second um, price of the smart contract. I know it's gonna be difficult, but this is the fastest way to do it without the website. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is level 2. Then put whatever. So if you see a 2841 or 2831, just multiply it to 2 and then input it here and press send. Okay? Registering, again, I repeat, put the address of Joshua here, his, not the link, but his wallet address, and then put the name string. Name string is your user name. So small caps, no space, and then the value you have to double check. So you have to have two screens here, seeing what is successful. Refresh. What was successful to 848, immediately put 2848 there, and that's you're gonna be entered. Okay,
Yeah.
any questions?
I can do that on the phone.
When you get the trigger, it will trigger